Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to A.I.M.S Dare to Success YouTube channel. Today I wanted to discuss with you direction, cosines, direction, ratios, chapter. Very important long answer problem. Very important long answer problems. Two problems, that too very easy method I wanted to explain you. Okay, my dears, mass 1b. Shortly I am writing direction cosines, direction ratios, DCs and DRs. So today's first problem, they are giving you question, show that the angle between any two diagonals of a cube is theta is equals to cos inverse of 1 by 3. They can give you like this. So my dears, please call your friends to come to class. Okay, for sometimes they can give you, show that the angle between any two diagonals of a cube is theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 3. For sometimes they can ask, find the angle between any two diagonals of a cube. Find means just we can get same value, but show that means we can get this. Okay, so here using formulas I want to write here. Okay, my dears, cleanly direction ratios formula is A2 minus A1 comma B2 minus B1 comma C2 minus C1, and angle formula cos theta is equal to mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by under root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. These are two formulas, my dears. Okay, so first I want to draw the diagram. Cube diagram means you can take like this square. Okay, my dear, draw the square, and just you can take a center of the square. From this center you will draw one more square. Okay, after that join the sides, join the sides. After that you can produce those sides, you can produce those sides. Those sides are related to x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Okay, so here 0, on the x-axis A, on the y-axis B, on the z-axis C. This is anti-clockwise direction. After C, clockwise direction, you will take D, E, F, after that G. This is G. So this is a cube diagram according to this problem. So first of all, start the solution, that is, let small a be the each side of the cube of the length. In the cube, each side length, okay, of the cube is just a, that is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to A, like all sides is equal to A. After that, let O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube. Okay, ఇది O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube. My dears, these are the points kada. First of all, let O means origin, all values are equal to 0, and A point, first of all, A is lies on the x-axis, so x is here, x, y, z, so x is A, y value 0, z value 0. Just x-axis lies means x value A. After that, B is equal to it. This B is lying on the y-axis, so y is A, and x value 0, z value 0. Like that, C is equal to, C is lying on z-axis, so x value, y value, leave it, just z value A, x value, y value 0. Okay, my dears. After that, D, where is D? Middle of A and B, so just add them, A and B. A plus 0 is A. Next, 0 plus A is A. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, E, where is E? Between A and C, just add A and C. A plus 0 is A, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus A is A. After that, F, where is F? Middle of B and C, so just you can add B and C. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, A plus 0 is A. Next, 0 plus A is A. Later, G. G you will take all are equal to A. Okay, my dears, if you write all these values, you will get 2 marks. One for diagram, one for all these values. So, next, my dears, 4 diagonals. Okay, let 4 diagonals. So here also I can explain you logically. So 4 diagonals like this: O, little bit gap A, little bit gap B, little bit gap C. From here, O, A, B, C. Okay, starting 4 values. Next, take reverse 4 values: D, next E, next F, next G. These are the diagonals. If you have any doubt, once you can check it. OG diagonal, AF diagonal, BE diagonal, CD diagonal. Okay, my dears, we got 4 diagonals. So next we can find direction ratios of first diagonal OG. O value is 0, 0, 0, and G value is all are equal to A. So direction ratio formula is just A2 minus A1, B2 minus B1, C2 minus C1. That is second value minus first value, like that. That is A minus 0, again A minus 0, again A minus 0. That value is equal to A comma A comma A. Okay, my dears. So one more diagonal you can take it. Direction ratio of second diagonal AF. What is A value, my dear children? A 0 0. Next F value 0 A. So direction ratio formula just second value minus first value. That is 0 minus A. Next A minus 0, again A minus 0. So 0 minus A is minus A minus 0 is A minus 0 is A. It's enough for this problem, two diagonals. Why? Because angle between any two diagonals. Okay, now I want to take one more page. After getting direction ratios of OG and AF, so first of all I am writing if direction ratios of OG is equal to, we got it, A comma A, and the direction ratios of AF, what is AF value, minus A comma A. Okay, so here we can write minus A comma A comma A. Okay, so are any two diagonals of a cube, then the angle between any two diagonals antundu. So I have taken two diagonals. So then the angle between any two diagonals is, I am writing formula cos theta is equals to mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 whole divided by under root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into under root A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Here first part A1 B1 C1, second part A2 B2 C2. Okay, my dears, just you can substitute in this formula. Cos theta is equals to mod A1 is A into A2 is minus A plus B1 is A, B2 is A plus C1 is A, C2 is A whole divided by under root A1 square A square plus B1 square A square plus C1 square A square into under root A2 square, A2 value minus A totally whole square plus B2 square A square only A square plus C2 square, that is A square. So cos theta is equal to mod plus into minus minus A into A square plus A into A square plus A into A square whole divided by under root A square plus A square plus A square is 3A square into root over minus to the power even number, it becomes plus, that is A square, again a square, again a square. A square plus a square plus a square is 3a square. Here plus a square minus a square get cancelled. So cos theta is equal to mod a square divided by root into root. So simple formula, root a into root a is a. Like that, root 3a square into root 3a square is only 3a square. Later mod a square is only a square divided by 3a square. A square and a square get cancelled. Answer is 1 by 3. But cos theta is equal to 1 by 3 is just a formula. They are asking you angle. So angle theta is equal to this cos going to right side, cos to the power minus 1, that is cos inverse whole power 1 by 3 is the required answer for this problem. Okay, my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. Okay, you can ask your friends to listen the class. Okay, my dears, now I am going to write second problem. So I want to write a problem red ink. So the next problem is, if a ray makes an angles, they are alpha, beta, gamma, delta with the four diagonals. In the previous question they asked only any two diagonals. Here with the four diagonals of a cube, then show that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equal to 4 by 3 is the given question. So next formulas for this question, same formulas from previous question. Direction ratios are a2 minus a1 comma b2 minus b1 comma c2 minus c1. Later angle cos theta is equals to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 whole divided by under root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, my dears, this is formula. We are getting one more formula, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. ఓకే, ఇవి మనకు యూజ్ అవుతున్న ఫార్ములాస్. సో solution. So first of all we can draw the diagram like previous question. Okay, my dears, so this is a square, middle of the point you can take, from that point you can draw one more square. Okay, after that join the sides like this. Okay, we got a cube. Okay, we got a cube. After that produce sides. We are getting x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is x, y, z. This is origin A, origin 0. on the x-axis A, anti-clockwise direction, on the x-axis A, on the y-axis B, on the z-axis C. This is anti-clockwise direction. After that, clockwise direction, after C, D, next E, next F, next G. Okay, Nana? So same to same from previous question. First we can write it as, let small a be the each side of the cube of the length. Cube length, each side value is a. Okay, that is OA is equal to OB is equal to OC is equal to A. After that, cube let O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube. Okay, my dears, let O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G be a cube. After that, sides points we want to write. Let O equal to 0, 0, 0. After that, A is equal to, A is in x-axis, so x is A, remaining values are equal to 0. And next, B is equal to, where is B on the y-axis? So y value A, remaining x and z are equal to 0. Next, C, where is C? It lies on z axis, so x value, y value 0, z value A. Next, D, where is D? Between A and B, so you can add A and B, that is A plus 0 is A. Next, 0 plus A is A. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0. After D, E, where is E? It is between, it is lies between A and C, so add A and C. A plus 0 is A. Next, 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, 0 plus A is A. After E, next, F. So F is between B and C. Just add B and C. 0 plus 0 is 0. A plus 0 is A. 0 plus A is A. Letter G. G is all values are equal to A. Okay, my dears, O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G values are completed successfully. Next, we want to write 4 diagonals. What are the 4 diagonals means? Take O, next gap, next A, next gap B, next gap C. From this O, A, B, C, starting 4 values. Later D, E, F, G, take reverse and write it. D, E, F, G. Okay, my dears, these are the 4 diagonals. If you have any doubt, you can check once. OG is one diagonal. Later AF is another diagonal. Next BE is one more diagonal. And next CD is one more diagonal. In the previous, we did only 2 diagonals direction ratio, but here 4 diagonals, so direction ratios of OG, O value all are equal to 0 and G is equal to, all are equal to A. Okay, all are equal to A. So direction ratios formula A2 minus A1, B2 minus B1, C2 minus C1, that is A minus 0, comma A minus 0, comma A minus 0. That is A comma A comma A. Why? Because A minus 0 is A. After that we can continue with the direction ratio of AF, A and F. First A value, that is A0 0, and F value 0 A. So direction ratios means A2 minus A1, B2 minus B1, C2 minus C1, that is 0 minus A, comma A minus 0, comma A minus 0. So 0 minus A, children, minus A. A minus 0 is A. Next A minus 0 is A. Don't stop. You will continue BE and CD also. Why? Because we must use 4 diagonals. Okay, my dears. Now next one, direction ratios of next third diagonal BE. B value 0, A 0, and E value A0 A. So here direction ratio means A2 minus A1, that is A minus 0, B2 minus B1, that is 0 minus A, C2 minus C1, A minus 0. A minus 0 is A, 0 minus A is minus A minus 0 is A. So fourth diagonal direction ratio. So direction ratio of C. C means 0 comma 0 comma A, and D means and D value A comma 0. Okay, so direction ratio means A2 minus A1, that is A minus 0. Next B2 minus B1, A minus 0. C2 minus C1, 0 minus A. So my dears, A minus 0 is A minus 0 is A, 0 minus A is minus A. So 4 diagonals direction ratios are completed. Next, if direction cosines equal to L comma M comma N. Okay, Nana. After that, 4 diagonals, alpha is the angle between the diagonal A diagonal of a cube first diagonal OG. OG direction ratio is A comma A. Then generally previous question we have used cos theta. Here theta value alpha given. So cos alpha is equal to mod A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 whole divided by under root A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into root over A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. Here first direction cosine value LMN, you can write it as A1 B1 C1. After that diagonal OG value you can write it as A2 B2 C2. So I am substituting values. We get cos alpha is equal to mod A1 is L into A2 is A plus B1 is M into B2 is A plus C1 is N into C2 is A. Okay, whole divided by under root A1 square L square plus B1 square M square plus C1 square N square into under root A2 square A square plus B2 square A square plus C2 square A square. Okay, my dears, here all these three terms are having A common, so A come outside, remaining value mod L plus M plus N whole divided by under root L square plus M square plus N square is equal to one is a formula, we can use that one here. So under root L square plus M square plus N square is root 1 into under root A square plus A square plus A square is 3A square. This is just cos alpha value, but according to the question we are having cos square alpha. Squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, we get cos alpha whole square means cos square alpha is equal to a square A square into L plus M plus N whole square whole divided by root 1 whole square is 1 square means 1, so no need to write it. Inka root 3 whole square means square root get cancelled, only 3A square. My dears, A square and A square get cancelled. The remaining value is L plus M plus N whole square by 3. This is cos square alpha. Similarly for beta, similarly for gamma, similarly for delta, diagonals, 4 diagonals are there. For first diagonal OG we have taken alpha angle, for second diagonal beta AF, for third diagonal gamma for BE, for fourth diagonal delta for CD. But we don't want to write here. Why? Because it is very lengthy, so we can write similarly. Okay, Nana? So similarly cos square beta is equal to, how do you write, my dear children? So here very easy, direction ratio of OG, all values are positive, that's why here we got cos square alpha means all positive values inside of the bracket in the numerator. For beta for direction ratio of AF, so first part minus symbol, so you will continue like as it is, cos square beta is equal to minus L plus M plus N whole square by 3. Okay. Next one more diagonal, cos square gamma is equal to direction ratio of BE. Here second position negative symbol, so here also you can write it L minus M plus N whole square divided by 3. And later cos square delta, this is for fourth diagonal CD. Here third position we are having negative symbol, same continue as it is like that, L plus M minus N whole square by 3. Okay, my dears, we got all values, we got all values cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, cos square delta. Okay, now I am taking LHS. LHS from the problem, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. My dears, what is the value of cos square alpha? LMN related a, first all are positive, next first position negative, next second position negative, next third position negative. So we can write like this, L plus M plus N whole square by 3 plus cos square beta value minus L plus M plus N whole square by 3 plus cos square gamma is L minus m plus n whole square by 3 plus cos square delta value L plus m minus n whole square by 3. My dear children, all these four values are having 3 LCM or 1 by 3 common. Okay, after that all these are look like a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, Nana, a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca will come, but alternatively negative symbol means they are getting cancellation. So here also a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca get cancelled by using these values. So just a square plus b square plus c square will come 4 times. Here also same to same, L square plus m square plus n square. There also we are getting L square plus m square plus n square. Okay, but remaining values plus 2lm here minus 2lm cancelled, plus 2mn plus 2mn plus 4mn ostada. After that minus 2mn minus 2mn minus 4mn get cancelled. So like that all plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca values related to these 4 times all are get cancelling. So I am writing directly 1 by 3 into 4 times L square, that is 4L square. After that 4 times m square, that is 4m square. After that 4 times n square, that is 4n square. Okay, my dears, all these 4 values are having 4 common. Come outside, 4 into 1 by 3, 4 by 3 into L square plus m square plus n square. Already we have written L square plus m square plus n square is equals to 1. Same value you can use here. So 4 by 3 into L square plus m square plus n square value is 1. So 4 by 3 into 1 is equal to 4 by 3. This is the required answer. Okay, my dears, 4 by 3 came. So I hope you all are understanding very clearly. These are very important problems for long answer for board exam for both AP and Telangana. So my dears, listen carefully, learn carefully. You can use like this diagram, you can get answer easily. If you verify other college materials or study materials or textbook answer, you will not get like this. You will get same answer but not same as usual like this diagram and like this simple concept. So my dears, listen carefully, learn carefully. Success will come to you automatically. For the students, success means marks. For the teacher, success means students getting marks easily by using their method, their easy method. So my dears, if you are satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel AIMS Dare to Success. Support with us, share to your friends, like and comment to this video. మీకు ఇంకా ఏమైనా డిఫికల్టీ క్వశ్చన్స్ మ్యాథ్స్ 1A 1B 2A 2B రిలేటెడ్ అనిపిస్తే మీరు చూస్తున్న వీడియో కింద కమెంట్ బాక్స్లో కమెంట్ చేయండి. I can try to explain in coming next video. Okay, my dears, స్టూడెంట్కి టీచర్కి ఒకటి ఏంటంటే స్టూడెంట్ బాగా చదువుకోవాలి, లైఫ్లో సెటిల్ అవ్వాలని టీచర్కి ఉంటుంది. సో మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, డోంట్ వర్రీ అబౌట్. ఓకే, స్టూడెంట్ మంచిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలని టీచర్కి ఉంటుంది. బట్ టీచర్ ఎంత బాగా చెప్పినా స్టూడెంట్స్కి అర్థమవుతుంది. ప్రాక్టీస్ అయిపోయేసరికి వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం లేజీ ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం ఫోబియా ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం టైమ్ సెన్స్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది. బట్ మై డియర్స్, కష్టం దాటితే సుఖం పర్మనెంట్గా మీతోనే ఉంటుంది. సో మీకు కష్టం లేకుండా నేను చూసుకుంటున్నా. సో కాబట్టి మీరు ఆ కష్టాన్ని ఇష్టంగా మార్చుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సక్సెస్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తుంది. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ప్రాక్టీస్ కీప్స్ ఏ స్టూడెంట్ ఇన్ టాప్ లెవెల్. Okay, my dears, I hope you all are understanding clearly. So success is not a journey, success is not a destination, success is a journey అని మహేష్ బాబు సినిమాలో చెప్తారు కదా. సో సక్సెస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ డెస్టినేషన్, సక్సెస్ ఈజ్ ఏ జర్నీ. కాబట్టి బాగా సక్సెస్ కోసం ట్రై చేయండి. సో జై బోలో భారత్ మాతాకి జై, జై జవాన్, జై కిసాన్. హ్యావ్ ఏ నైస్ డే. So I wish you all the very best. Take care. Bye bye. We will meet you in next video, next important questions. Take care.